Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create time freeze video editing on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project, and I'm going to add video from my gallery, for example this one. Okay, and I'm going to add this video to my project. Alright, now the video has been imported to my CapCut project, and I'm going to take screenshot of this video. For example guys, I'm going to make this side or this side frozen. So I'm going to take screenshot of it like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add the screenshot here. I'm gonna go to the overlay and add overlay, and I'm going to I'm going to add this screenshot to my project. Okay, wait, I'm going to crop the screenshot. I'm gonna go to the transform and select resize, and hold on, I'm going to take this part only. Oops. Okay, click on the check mark, and then I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and wait, I'm going to make it bigger like this. Oops, sorry. Okay, and I'm going to apply mask to the photo. I'm gonna click on the photo, and I'm gonna go to the mask menu. We can scroll all the way to the right until we find the mask, and I'm going to choose horizontal mask, and I'm gonna use the mask to create like frozen effect. I'm gonna go to the mask again, and I'm going to adjust it like this. Okay, all right, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create time freeze video editing using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!